We are almost there. We are so close to our 90-day goal. We're almost there.
Oh, I know. It's crazy to think about.
Week 10, we have been doing this diet for 10 weeks. I have lost 26 pounds. I'm still at the same weight I was last week, but I did stop Ozempic. If I can maintain my weight, I will be satisfied.
I've lost 19 pounds. I'm 1 ounce away from being 20. So, you know, there's that.
We went shopping yesterday because I'm actually, when I started this, my waistline was 54 inches. I am down to 48 inches in my belly. And we went to Walmart, and I should not be allowed to go shopping. It gets pretty pricey. We spent almost $300. What was we getting?
It was just a few things I had on a list.
Yeah, like right, 2 things. She was like, "Well, I don't even have to go," and I'm like, "Yeah, let's just go," because I hate going to Walmart. I really do. I don't like to go. I love to shop, but it gets
expensive.
Yeah,
especially these days.
And we bought some meat, but we bought some clothes, and I needed some more clothes for doing videos. We're trying to debate. I'm thinking about just going all black shirts, but I don't know how that would work, or white, or whatever, or we're going to have some made, whatever. But we had to get new shirts. Spent almost $300 at Walmart.
There wasn't that much in the cart.
Yeah, there was hardly anything in the cart.
Meat's expensive.
It is so bad with meat right now. We actually got a sale on, is that ribeyes? Mm-hmm. Bone-in ribeyes, 10 something a pound. Everything else was, I mean, it was like $15. What was eggs?
$11 for 36. A little over $11
for 36 eggs. I mean, it's out of control. So you need to do your research.
Need some chickens.
Yeah, no kidding. I wish we had a neighbor that had some chickens that was selling them or something, and we could do that. But we're trying to make the channel better for you guys. We're going to do this carnivore diet for 90 days.
This is not all our channel is.
Yeah, we are a review channel, and we just got done. We had an eBay store, and we actually went shopping in that eBay store. Last year, we made $39,000 in sales from our eBay store. And yesterday, I shut it down because we're going to focus all of our time and energy into this channel. eBay was kind of rough to get started, but we're going to focus. We're doing the carnivore. So if you guys want to follow people that's actually doing what you're doing and staying up with this, carnivore is it's been out for a while, but it's really becoming a fad right now. And we're pretty good with staying with stuff. This is one that we're very passionate about. It's going to help us. I mean, I've got a whole plan for this. I need to get in shape. I've watched some of the videos when we started out and we was cooking food, and it got us into the carnivore diet. It's really going to help us because nobody wants to see a big fatty on there.
Eric.
I mean, seriously. I see myself on there. I look horrible. I'll just admit it. I'm feeling so much better. I'm getting off my meds. If you've watched some of our other ones up here that we've, how much weight I've lost from the first carnivore one or the other videos. It's amazing. I'm really working hard to make this channel better. I'm trying, every video doing something.
He puts a lot of work into it.
Yeah, just like I did on eBay. I could have probably went full-time doing eBay.
Yeah.
Just like the clothing, I'm going to figure out, we're going to review products, we're going to do some trips, and we're going to have to niche down. Everybody, has their one thing that they're doing. I'm kind of expanding to see what we want to do and what's fun for us.
Shopping is one of those.
Yes.
Is probably the biggest thing.
I am a guy, and I love to shop.
And I love that.
And it's not only online. I love going places and shopping, which is kind of bad when I go to Walmart. I want to go down every aisle. Where was we at? And you was like pushing me. Was we at Lowe's?
Yeah.
Or no, Harbor Freight.
Oh yeah.
So she's like behind me, like, go, Eric. Go. We got to get out of here. She does not want to be in Harbor
Well, we were
Freight.
at Lowe's, and I thought you were behind me, and I took off to check
I'm
out,
looking at
and he's
stuff.
still at the light fixtures.
Well, I was looking. We need more lighting in here. I'm telling you, I've been doing massive research, and just stuff like that is going to. I mean, I know you want to hear about the diet, but the diet has been going very smooth. We've been doing very well on it.
I'm down 2 clothes sizes, which I haven't been this size in over 10 years. And so that was fun going through our eBay store.
Oh man, it was
going
so
out there.
fun.
And it is nice stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, we bought things that we knew could
Yeah, and we
make some money.
went to some thrift
Yeah,
stores.
we really thrifted.
It was so funny when we was doing that. We was getting hundreds of items at a time, and going to multiple stores like every Sunday. They would have sales, and you can go out and find, if you're on this diet, go out and try to just buy used clothes.
Yeah.
And actually, why we stopped the eBay store, a lady messaged me and said that, why is shipping so high? Yeah, I should be able to have this for $4.99. And I got to looking. I was kind of sending her I sent her back like how much it cost from USPS, and then how much it cost me, how much I'm charging was exactly the same amount. I was not upcharging. It was $10. What was those sweatpants? For a pair of women's
Used.
sweatpants. So it was $10 for shipping, and the price was like $5. And she's like, well, I would have already bought this by now. So I go in there and calculate, like, I'm going to make like $1 or $2 off of this. And then we had free returns. There's just no money in it.
No.
Now we're doing smaller stuff. I started doing watches because I figured out shipping was not working out. If you guys want to go purchase stuff, eBay's good for vintage stuff and used stuff and all that stuff. And I'm going to make some videos on eBay, how to eBay, to help you guys. If you need extra money, if you're on this diet or you just need extra money, we're really going to try to help people out on this channel. And one of the biggest deals of helping people out is getting in shape, getting your weight down so you can do this stuff. So you can go shopping and do this and have fun and not just, couch potato all the time. You need money to do that.
Yeah.
We're going to do all kinds of videos on apps. I've got so many ideas. I've got tons of videos we've already made. And we're kind of holding back on releasing a bunch of these videos. We're going to do the Carnivore Diet. They're kind of not getting that many views, but that's probably because we got a small channel, and I'm not sending out any
Promotions or
notifications or anything right now. And we're going to wait until our 90 days is done, and then people will start watching it. Try to make everything better. I'm going to try to improve every week. If you guys have any suggestions, if you think I sound stupid, it's not loud enough, if I'm ugly, if I'm too fat, I don't think I'm going to be offended. I've worked construction for almost 30 years now. I'm 43. If you guys want to do the math, and I'm going to make an origins video about my life story, maybe a little bit of yours. My life story is it's extent. My last job, I worked 18 years. The job I'm on now is almost 12 years. Before that, I'm 43, remember. Before that, I helped my uncle cut firewood. We're going to get into all that. We're going to do a story about that. Another thing is we just purchased a coffee machine. We have, it's $1,000 coffee machine that we have. It is.
You're not supposed to tell people that.
Oh yeah, they want to know. You want to know how much it costs. It's a Philips.
There are certain things in your life that you want to have the best of, and
Yes.
I want a good cup of coffee, and it has saved us money because we don't go to Starbucks.
I actually figured it up too. If you're using those coffee pods are expensive. I know it's not as bad as it used to be, but if you want the good ones and you want this and that, they're expensive. And you can actually save money by buying
Whole beans.
$1,000 coffee machine, and you wouldn't believe what this makes. Now, the reason, we're going to have a video about this coming out too. It may be a little bit. But the reason that we want to get the other coffee machine is because she wants dark roasted beans. It's just way better. You guys, you know, like coffee and all that stuff. We're going to be having videos like that.
I can't wait to get that new machine.
Oh, it's going to be awesome.
Yeah.
And I've been drinking a lot more coffee on this diet just to have something.
Besides water.
And sugar and all that stuff. The water is just, I got to have something else. And Coke Zeros, there's some days I don't drink them, but most days I'll have at least one Coke Zero. That's okay, but it's not that good for you. And they say coffee's pretty good for you. We drink a lot of coffee around here. We're trying to upgrade. We're trying to review. We're making this channel better. We're trying to help you, help yourself, you know, lose some weight, save money. Some haul videos of going to stores. She did one, if you can see it behind me, at Dollar Tree.
That was like a spur of the moment thing. I went there, came home, and I'm like,
out. She's freaking out
I
of
gotta
what
do
she
this.
got.
I really
mean,
wanted to go there today, but it's raining and I didn't feel like it.
It's roughly going to be over 40. If you're over 40, maybe if you're in your 30s, this is going to be a great channel. It's going to be your, you know, all these young YouTubers up here are just, it's hard to watch. It really is hard to watch.
And most of it's not real life.
Yeah, and when they review stuff, I get so mad because they don't know what they're talking about. I have so much experience with everything. It just makes stuff so much better. Just figuring out little bitty things, and I do so much reviewing to learn. I want to learn so much. I want to learn everything.
I mean, anytime we go to we decide to buy something, he spends weeks researching what is the best brand, everything about that item. So us doing this channel is literally his passion. This is something he enjoys doing, research. So when he tells you something, know that is completely his opinion, and he's going to be honest.
It's usually the best opinion.
Yeah.
When we go on a vacation, we have the best vacations because I plan the vacations. We use the apps. We use the stuff. And then when we go there...
it's not as stressful.
Yeah, and just like with this diet, it's a lot of planning. You got a meal plan. You got to find meat. You got to find good meat. You got to know how to cook your food. Learn how to cook your food. Learn how to make a great steak. If you watch one of our videos, cooking steak, cooking meat, this is how, and use the best appliances. That's why we've been buying all this Ninja stuff. We've not been cheaping out. And when it tells you when something's done, you're not overcooking it, you're cooking it perfectly. It matters. It matters so much to get all these products together and to have a better life for yourself. I mean, get in there, watch this stuff, watch what we're talking about. This channel's going to get better. If I have to take speech lessons, I don't care. I mean, whatever I got to do, I'm learning every day. I'm going to make this better. I'm really hardcore about this.
And if you've stayed this long for this video, then thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.
It's free.
It is free.
And it helps the channel.